In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to find the center and the radius of a circle when given the equation. All right, so let's just first start out talking about the standard form equation. Standard form of the equation for a circle. Okay, so we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. What we want to do is figure out, well, what all these numbers mean, or what all these letters mean, excuse me. Okay, well, the center of our circle is going to be at h comma k. And the radius of our circle, the radius is at r. All right, well, so if we look back at our standard form here, we have x minus h plus y minus k, and we want just h and k. So we have negative h, negative k. So if we look up here at our numbers, negative 3 and negative 4, okay, since it's a negative h and negative k, and we just want h and k, all we have to do is just flip these signs. So the center of our circle, okay, is going to be at the point 3, 4. Right? If these were plus signs, right, if it was x plus 3 squared or plus y plus 4 squared, then our center would be at negative 3, negative 4. So let's just switch that sign. And then the radius. Well, our equation says x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And we want to just figure out r. So we're given r squared, and we want to just figure out r. So if we take the square root of 25, okay, the square root of 25 is equal to 5. So the radius of our circle then is that 5 number. All right, so now we found the radius and we found the center. Now let's graph it. So I always think that we should start from our center. So let's go find the point 3, 4 and put it just a dot. Okay. And then if we have a radius of 5, that means in every direction, okay, put a dot of, count out 5. So start at your dot, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put another dot, count up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot, count down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot, and then count over to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And put a dot. Now that you have all these dots, now just draw in your circle. And I got a perfect little tool here. Okay. Oops, that ain't gonna work. Okay, I'll just have to freehand it here. Okay, and that's how you that's how you identify the center, the radius, and then graph it. Okay, let's practice one more. So now it's saying we have x squared plus y squared equals 16. But notice there's no plus or minus h and k. Right, so that just means our center is at 0, 0. To figure out our r, remember, take the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. So our radius for this specific circle is going to be 4. And now let's plot. So our start with the center. Set 0, 0. And then plot. Do your radius over, and I would always recommend doing 4 dots. Right? Over 4, put a dot. Up 4, over, put a dot. Over 4, put a dot. Down 4, put a dot. And draw in your circle. And that's as good as I can do for x squared plus y squared equals 16.